Right, it's ECP at Bromswell. Another new old well that we're reinstating. Quite deep, this one, around about 20 metres deep. And I've just come down to the bottom. We've been taking bearers out. Don't know if we can see up there. Been taking the old bearers are rotten and everything. This main here is an old deep well pump main. An old-fashioned style of pump, and all these on the bottom here are bearers. Quite unusual. I don't know if I can show. I'm trying to change the lights to get better light down here. But the well must have been deepened at some time or other, because there's a concrete ring. We can see it's a brick well, obviously. But there's a concrete ring down the bottom. I'll try and show it with my foot there. Right, so it's been deepened, and of course we should be deepening it also with a bore. Okay, so we're now going to start cleaning it out. Okay.